EOS, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned how we can look for trade, and we mentioned we want to see whether the price can break 5.67 or not. And we had this line. I mentioned if the price break as a sharply following by flag, this is where we're going to look for sell, and this is where we could take the sell. Anyway, this is what we get, and we mentioned if the price drop, we mentioned we can expect the price drop to 4. As we can see, the price dropped to 4, and a few times the price broke, but there was no continuation and it couldn't conform with the breakout. Now we want to see what's the next. All right, anyway, we move to daily chart, and based on daily chart again, if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for one more drop. This is what we get, and right now we want to see whether we can go call this one as a ABC or not. Technically we cannot call it ABCB because we don't see the divergence. All right, that's mean we cannot. If we could call this one ABC with a divergence, we could conform the next reversal can break the previous stop. But since we don't see the divergence, we can expect another correction. This one turn to a more complex correction for one more drop before we get the next move. That means we can expect this one turn to at least 5 waves rather than 3. This means we have 2 options. Then for me, if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it, but I know about the different possibility. At least we know how to manage it. All right. And based on forward chart, as we can see, the price retest the previous low and we see the divergence. For me, if I get any trade for buy, I will take it, but I'm aware based on forward chart, this one can turn to a flat. Maybe we get one move up, drop. That's why if we get any trade within this one for buy, we consider as a short term. And in this case, if I move to forward chart, right now I'm looking at this. If I get any trade for buy from here, I will take it. And my target is 4.18 following by 4.3. All right. If we see the continuation and we see the breakout of 4.4 is good for us, we keep. If not, we take out the trade. And the reason is, as I explained based on forward chart, we can expect to get one move up and price drop because we can expect this one turn to a flat. Different types of what type of the flat we cannot confirm right now. The only thing is, if we get any trade for buy from here, if we see the continuation as a sharp move, we can expect even the price break 4.4. But if we see the continuation as a corrective move for me, this is where I'm going to take with the trade. And then at that times, I will consider this one as a correction relative to this for one more drop. That's why we need to see whether the price can break this zone or not. But how about if the price start to drop from here, I just let it go. And if I want to look for buy, I prefer to get the trade set up as long as the price haven't break 3.9. All right. That means if the price start to drop from here, I just let it go. I'm not looking for sell. For the only thing is if I get any trade for buy, I will take it. Then if I see there is a continuation, I keep. If not, any sell from there, I will take it. That means at least I need to get one move up with the breakout of 4.1 before I look for sell. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.